in their convictions. By not issuing an injunction today, the court would send the healthcare system into crisis, the extreme cost of which would then be put on the women of our great state and not lost on the court without any repercussion for the men who, without a doubt, are a necessary component to create a pregnancy.
A Michigan judge has ruled county prosecutors are not allowed to enforce an abortion ban on the books since 1931. After a two-day evidentiary hearing, Judge Jacob Cunningham granted Governor Whitmer's request for a preliminary injunction this morning. He said denying the injunction would cause, quote, irreparable harm to the people of Michigan. 13 on your side's Carla Byron is in the newsroom now with reaction from the governor as well as local leaders. Carla.
Kirk, Governor Whitmer says although this is welcome news, the work continues in protecting reproduction freedom in the state. In a statement, she says the sad reality is there are leaders in the state looking for ways to make sure the 1931 law is the law of the land. She says the law wouldn't include exceptions for rape or incest and criminalizes nurses and doctors who offer reproductive care. Kent County Prosecutor Chris Becker previously stated he would enforce the 1931 law and review any report presented to his office. This afternoon, he says he has no plans to violate the injunction.
This was a valid one. The one with the Court of Claims I had issues with because we were not under the control of the Attorney General, and that was the whole premise of that one. So this one is a valid injunction. You know, we're not going to do anything at this point in time, and if it's extended, we'll follow the rules as we're supposed to.
A conservative Christian legal advocacy group called Alliance Defending Freedom opposes the ruling, saying it's not a serious constitutional analysis.
The Oakland County Circuit Court judgment repeats that exact same mistake. It pays no attention whatsoever to the unborn life, and that infects its constitutional analysis in a variety of ways that really would cause one not to take the opinion seriously as a legal matter.
The Oakland County judge says the people of Michigan should decide this matter at the ballot box this November. The ACLU said they've reached enough signatures to get abortion protections on the ballot. However, the Alliance Defending Freedom says the measure creates a fundamental right to abortion, even for minors without parental consent, a right to transgender sterilizations, and abortion throughout all 9 months of pregnancy with no safety protections. The state's Board of Canvassers will meet on August 31st to announce whether the constitutional amendment protecting abortion rights will be on the ballot. Val.